Let's transform this dining room. So this is where we started and this is the final product. I know. So first I decided to keep my rods, but I wanted to spray paint them black, so I used some sandpaper to remove the pewter color, and then I spray painted them on the deck. I used this matte black spray from Walmart. I did a few coats, just let them dry in between until they were all even, and then I went ahead and bought some blackout curtains from Wayfair. These are the best. I have them all around my home. And then here we have them mounted. I swapped them out with the previous stone colored curtains. Next, the chandelier is stunning. I've had it for 4 years, but really I haven't cleaned it. But after cleaning each crystal, this thing is shining. Next, I purchased this area rug from Amazon, and it really just livens up the space and it accentuates the curtains. And this table is from Amazon. It's a glass top with a marble finish, and the velvet chairs are from Wayfair. And as you can see, everything is starting to come together. The last step, at least for this video, is this textured crocodile wallpaper from Amazon. I watched a few videos on YouTube just to try to DIY this myself. I'm not gonna lie, this first wallpaper took me entirely too long, but eventually I got the hang of it, and after a couple of injuries and taking my time to finish it up over the next couple of days, here's the completed dining room area, and wow, I am pleased. But of course we are not done, so please stay tuned for some more on Shopping with Kels.